Do you ever wonder where you will be in 5, 10, 15 years from now? Researchers are wondering the same thing about our planet and its lifespan. As overproduction of greenhouse gas emissions and manure runoff increase, no one knows how much longer our planet will be able to survive our footprint. Today, we will look over the overproduction of greenhouse emissions through agriculture and deforestation, as well as how manure runoff affects our soil, water, and aquatic life. Meat-based diets are a mean for meat production. They're one of the top reasons why meat production is still going heavy and strong in America. This may be one of the top reasons why greenhouse emissions aren't seeing a decrease. A 2018 study conducted by the Environmental Protection Agency notes that carbon dioxide makes up 81% of greenhouse emissions, and methane makes up 10%. These are the top two greenhouse emissions that are affecting our planet. How does this affect humans? What is the cause? Why isn't it being stopped? Well, University of Michigan notes that animal-based foods such as meat and dairy represent 82% of the baseline diet greenhouse gas emissions, and it is projected to increase. But cutting intake of all animal-based foods by half and replacing it with plant-based foods will result in a 35% decrease in the greenhouse gas emissions baseline. Agriculture directly affects deforestation through cattle ranching, as well as the means for dairy and meat production. As trees are cut down through deforestation, carbon dioxide is released into the air, which increases the temperature of the overall world and worsens climate change. Meat-based diets not only heavily demand meat production, they also reduce plant diversity and the ecosystem for animals to live in safely. The National Geographic System states that the loss of clean water and biodiversity from deforestation could have many other effects that we can't foresee, touching even your morning cup of coffee. With alarming rates of deforestation, it is a big possibility that we could expect to not see trees in our forest anymore. Hazardous waste, another form of economic harm, affects us through our soil, water, and even our aquatic life. The US EPA states that agriculture was responsible for nearly half impairments to our rivers. Manure runoff depletes oxygen from the top layer of the water as algae blooms are encouraged to grow. This in turn affects our aquatic life by not producing enough oxygen for them to breathe. Runoff also seeps into our local waterways with nitrogen-based fertilizers and pesticides that go into our drinking water directly. Lastly, soil erosion, which is caused by water and wind damage, is caused mainly by manure runoff. As soil erosion continues to happen, our plants can't efficiently grow, which not only affects us, but also the animals and their ecosystems. We discussed the overproduction of greenhouse emissions through agriculture and deforestation, as well as runoff through soil, aquatic life, and our drinking water. These are all caused by the means for meat production, which we can contribute and help our planet. Thank you.